Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmy's Kitchen. I am Shamela and today I am making quick and easy chicken haleeb. This chicken haleeb is creamy, mildly spiced and comes together in just 30 minutes and it needs a very few ingredients like only milk and chicken. So guys, watch this recipe till it ends and subscribe to our channel. So let's start the process. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Goes in 3 finely chopped green chilies. Now add 500 grams of chicken. Mix this nicely till it changes the color. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Give this a very nice mix. And to this I am adding 1 cup milk. Mix this nicely and now close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup fresh cream. Mix again. Close the lid and slow cook for more 5 minutes. Once done, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give this a very nice mix. And now switch off the flame. Chicken haleeb is ready to serve. Tender, juicy chicken pieces simmered in milk and cream gives you the best tasting chicken curry in less than 30 minutes. It's so simple and easy to make, best eaten with roti or butter naan. Even kids would love to eat this mildly spiced curry. So guys, I encourage you to try this simple chicken haleeb and let me know how it turned out for you. Keep in touch and don't miss out on any of Shimmy's kitchen recipes. Follow me on my Instagram page shimmys.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video till it ends. Take care, happy cooking and have a nice day.